Hey there, it's Jennifer from ActivWall Systems. Today we are on site in Vinton, Virginia at the Dogwood. This restaurant is a mainstay to this small community, and they have recently expanded their restaurant offerings to open a new bar and outdoor patio. They have a 4-panel ActivWall folding door and a 4-panel ActivWall folding window that makes a convenient pass-through indoor-outdoor bar.
This is Annie at the Dogwood, and we love having the doors here. It lets breeze in, it lets some natural light in, and the customers love it too. They can come and go as they please. Super cool vibe and ambiance. We have fireplaces on the patio, and I think everyone really enjoys it.
ActivWall products are available for commercial and residential applications. So if you'd love an ActivWall unit in your home, contact us at activwall.com. We'd love to help open up your space.